problems in mathematics 2b, fifth chapter hyperbola. First of all, first one is exercise first A, first bit, third problem. Find the equation of a hyperbola whose foci are plus or minus 5 comma 0 and the transverse axis of length 8. Transverse axis of length 8. Here, let the required equation of the hyperbola is. Let the required equation of the hyperbola is, we can take in general form, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here given that whose foci are plus or minus 5 comma 0. Given that foci is equal to plus or minus 5 comma 0. Foci means plus or minus a comma 0 is equal to plus or minus 5 comma 0. So here AE is equal to 5. AE is equal to 5. Next one, length of the transverse axis length is 8. Length of the transverse axis. Length of the transverse axis is equal to 8. Length of the transverse axis means 2a is equal to 8. Length of the transverse axis means a dash. A dash is equal to 2a. Length of the transverse axis of an ellipse hyperbola is 2a is equal to 8. 2a is equal to 8 means 2 1s are 2 4s are. So a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. From condition number 2, AE is equal to 5. A is equal to substitute 4. 4 into E is equal to 5. E is equal to 5 by 4. E is equal to 5 by 4. Find the value B. Here by using the formula B square is equal to A square into E square minus 1. B square equal to A square 4 square E square 5 by 4 whole square minus 1 now. B square equal to 4 square means 16. 5 by 4 whole square means 25 by 16 minus 1 now. B square is equal to 16 into here LCM 16. 25 minus 16. 25, 16, 16 get to cancel. B square is equal to 25 minus 16 means 9. B square equal to 9 means B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. Required equation of the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square 4 square minus y square by b square 3 square equal to 1. So x square by 4 square 16, y square by 3 square 9 is equal to 1 is the answer. Here taking LCM 16 9 the 144. 144 by 16 means 9x square. 144 by 9 means 16y square is equal to 1 taking 144 right side. So 9x square minus 16y square is equal to 144 is the answer, which is the required equation of the hyperbola. Here given that foci means plus or minus e comma 0 equal to plus or minus 5 comma 0. So here e is equal to 5. Next one, length of the transverse axis 8 means 2a is equal to 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are e is equal to 4. A is equal to 4, substitute in equation number 2, find the value E. Again by using the formula B square equal to E square into E square minus 1, simplifying, find the value B. Here B is equal to 3, A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 3. Substitute in the required equation of the hyperbola and simplifying. Here 9x square minus 16y square equal to 144 is the required equation of the hyperbola. Next one is first bit, fourth problem. Find the equation of the hyperbola. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose asymptosis are the straight lines x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, comma 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0, and which passes through the point 1 comma minus 1. Here find the equation of the hyperbola whose asymptotes are the straight lines are x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0, and which passes through the point 1 comma minus 1. Your equation of the asymptotes is x plus 3y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here the required equation of the hyperbola is the combined equation of the asymptotes of the hyperbola x plus 2y plus 3 into 3x plus 4y plus 5 plus some constant is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the hyperbola. So here find the value k. The hyperbola 3 is passes through the point 1 comma minus 1. The above hyperbola 3 is passing through the point 1 comma minus 1. Here 1 comma minus 1 substitute on the hyperbola x1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 plus 3 into x1 plus 4 into y minus 1 plus 5 plus k is equal to 0. 1 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 into 1 3 4 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 5 plus k is equal to 0. 3 plus 1 4 4 minus 2 2 3 plus 5 8 8 minus 4 4 plus k equal to 0. 2 4 the 8 plus k equal to 0. K is equal to minus 8. K is equal to minus 8. K is equal to minus 8. Substitute in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is x plus 2y plus 3 into 3x plus 4y plus 5 plus k is equal to minus 8 is equal to 0. X into 3x, 3x square. X into 4y, 4xy. X into 5, 5x. Plus 2y into 3x, 6xy. 2y into 4, 8y square. 2y into 5, 10y. 3 3s are 9x. 3 4s are 12y. 3 5s are 15 is equal to 0. Write orderly. 3x square, 3x square, 4xy plus 6xy, 10xy plus 10xy. Next one is 8y square. Next one is 5x plus 9x, 14x, 5x plus 9x, 14x plus 10y plus 12y plus 22y. Next constants. Next constant is plus 15 minus 8 equal to 0. 15 minus 8 plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the total value. Again minus 8 is equal to 0. 15 minus 8, 7 equal to 0, which is the required equation of the hyperbola. Therefore 3x square plus 10xy plus 8y square plus 14x plus 22y plus 7 is equal to 0 is the answer, which is the required equation of the hyperbola. Multiply two values and subtracting minus 8 and simplifying, getting the answer.